Dear students, welcome to our maths session. Today's topic, exercise 1.4, rationalize the denominators of the following. See the first bit, 1 by 3 plus root 2. Listen boys, you have already done this problem in our online class. For girls, this will be a new to you. For the boys, it will be a revision session. Fine. Shall we continue? See here, rationalizing. The rationalizing is always done to the denominator. You observe this denominator, it is 3 plus root 2. So always the rationalizing factor, if it is plus in between the numbers, the number is same, you should write with minus. See here, rationalizing factor, this is 3 plus root 2. So your rationalizing factor will be 3 minus root 2. Clear? This will be helpful for your MCQs when you have a maths test. Now what we have to do? You have to multiply 3 minus root 2 to both numerator and denominator. NR and DR is a numerator and denominator. Now I am multiplying to this. Please observe very carefully, boys. It's a revision for you, and the girls, it is a new problem. 1 by 3 plus root 2. This is your question. Multiplied by 3 minus root 2, that is your rationalizing factor, and 3 minus root 2. Clear? Now what you will do? Multiply 1 into 3 minus root 2, same number 3 minus root 2. Then what about denominators? Please observe it. I am writing with brackets. This will be like your formula, right? It's like a formula. This part I am saying. This part is like your formula. A plus B, A minus B equals to A square minus B square. A is 3 here, B is root 2, as we did in our online classes. You know this formula, how to substitute. Now A square minus B square. A is 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Clear? This square and root gets cancelled. How much you will get? 3 3s are 9 minus 2. Please students remember 3 square. It is 9. It's not 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 3 minus root 2 by 7. Is it clear? So our rationalizing factor or rationalize the denominator is 3 minus root 2 by 7. Did you understood this one? It's very clear. Fine. Dear students, I hope it is clear with you. A fifth problem. There is a homework. Second, third, fourth. Remaining bits are a homework. Check here, sixth one. This is also a rationalizing factor you have to find out. Here, numerator is having a number 6 minus 4 root 2. Denominator is 6 plus 4 root 2. As I said, rationalizing factor is always for denominator. So here plus is there. The sign is minus. Now I am multiplying both this equation by 6 minus 4 root 2. I have written here, see. Next, 6 minus 4 root 2, 6 minus 4 root 2. 6 minus 4 root 2 whole square. 2 times is there, no? That's why. Now this is 6 plus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2. Observe here, 6 minus 4 root 2. This one, here we are applying a formula. A minus B whole square. A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay, here A is 6, B equals to 4 root 2. Substitute in this formula. A square, 6 whole square minus 2 into 6 into 4 root 2. See student, this is 2AB plus B square. What is B here? 4 root 2 whole square. As I am clear to everyone. Okay, divided by, this is in the form of A plus B and A minus B. Previous problem, fifth problem. I am writing here the formula. Please observe it. A plus B into A minus B. This is equals to A square minus B square. Substitute here. 6 whole square minus B is how much? 4 root 2 whole square. Same. Clear? Now, implied symbol is must. 6 6 are 36 minus, see here 2 6 are 12. 12 4 are 48. 48 root 2 plus this one 16 into 2. 4 4 are 16. I am doing here in the rough column. Please observe 4 root 2 whole square. What is the meaning of this? 4 root 2 is multiplied 2 times. 4 root 2. 4 4s are 16. Root 2 is 2 root 2 whole square. Root and square gets cancelled. This is 16 into 2. This is 32. Clear? Right. So I am writing here. 6 6 are 36 minus 4 root 2 whole square is what? 16 into 2. Please observe, it is understood to you. Please listen very carefully, students. 36 minus 48 root 2 plus 32 divided by 36 minus 32. Clear? Now subtract 36 minus 32. 4 minus 48 root 2 divided by 4. Clear? You can stop here, or further you can find out a common in this if you want textbook answer. Clear? 4 is common here. 1 minus 4 ones are 4 twos are root 2 divided by 4. You can cancel this one and your answer is 1 minus 12 root 2 is as I am clear to everyone. If you have a doubt, please let me know. Clear, students? This is very, very important. Thank you. Number 10, students. If A and B are rational numbers, find A and B in each of the following equations. See here, root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2. A plus B root 6. You have to find out the alphabet A and B. So here see, rationalizing factor is root 3 plus root 2. Since here is minus, so I wrote here plus. Now multiply this equation 1 by this rationalizing factor to both numerator and denominator. Check here, I have multiplied. Clear? It is from the previous problem type. Now this R can be written as root 3 plus root 2 whole square divided by students root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Now continuing, square and root gets cancelled. Here square and root gets cancelled, right? What is remaining? 3 plus 2 root, it's not working, sorry. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 divided by this square and root gets cancelled. Square and root gets cancelled. 3 minus 2. Now 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by 1. You can observe. See the question here. A plus B root 6. See here. 6 is there. I got 6 here. Answer. I can show you A plus B root 6. See here. 6 I got. So this is equivalent to A plus B root 6. So what is the value of A here? You can see here 5. So therefore A equals to 5. B equals to 2.